my name is Samuel, and today we are going to learn how to make a slime. A slime is like a thing that when you knead it, it is like a gooey thing. So let's see what ingredients we are going to use. So we are going to use clear glue. White glue. Next, we're going to use borax, that is this liquid, and borax is not this liquid. It's this liquid, but borax is like a chemic, and I dissolve it with water. So it's toxic if you put it a long time in your hand. So please be careful with the borax. Next, we're going to have shaving cream, and the shaving cream is like the slime gets like more fluffy. And we have this detergent that is like to make the slime, and it's like this, but this is like more to activate it. So yeah. Okay, let's start. So first, we are going to pour the half of the glue in this container. So we're going to take the cap off and put it. Yeah, I think it's great. Okay. So next we're going to add this shaving cream, and the shaving cream is like for making the slime like texture. So we are going to add a little bit. Oh, I think I added too much, but it doesn't matter. Okay, so we are going to mix these two ingredients like this with the spoon. And then that the two ingredients are mixed, we're going to add the the detergent. This is Ariel, like the mark. So we're going to add it. And this is only like for the color. But next, if the slime doesn't do, we're going to add the borax, but it isn't in cost. Okay, so don't worry. We're going to mix the slime all together. It's taking a long time. And if the slime don't start to take, we're going to add more, like this. And we mix. As you can see, this slime is this. So we're going to mix a little bit. And then, when this slime is finished, we're going to knead it with both hands, just like this. And until the slime is going to take shape. So we are going to knead it for a long time. And if we see that the slime is really getting well, so we're going to put it in the bowl again to add like more like Oreo. So we're going to add more to the slime, like this. And we mix again. And the slime is going to like get out of the bowl, so we're going to do this. As you can see, the slime is working. So you're going to knead it for a long time until the slime starts to take shape. So this is the slime. So these are the ingredients to make our first slime. Thank you.